Welcome, car enthusiasts, to a look at the Pontiac Trans Am. Introduced in 1969 as a Firebird option, it symbolized performance. The name Trans Am was inspired by racing. The first generation, 1969 to 1973, featured hood scoops and a bird decal. The 1969 model had a 400 cubic inch V8, rated at 335 horsepower. The second generation, 1970 to 1981, brought sleeker lines and the shaker hood. In 1973, the Screaming Chicken decal debuted. The 1976 edition celebrated Pontiac's 50th anniversary. Burt Reynolds' Trans Am boosted its popularity. The third generation, 1982 to 1992, embraced aerodynamic trends. By 1989, a 20th anniversary turbo car was available. The fourth generation, 1993 to 2002, retained styling. By 1998, the Trans Am arrived with a bulging front and the LS1 V8. Despite its end in 2002, the Trans Am remains an icon. Designers envision a modern Firebird, retaining its styling. Thank you. Please like and subscribe.